Sihloko sangoma ke sithi Joy la studio sina Joy uPisar FM 104.1 the pumping Pirofecus full good breakfast show ngami libito ngiPrinceville nake angikwamukele la msakadweni kunjani
Yaphila njani baba ngibingelele abalaleli and everyone in the studio.
Ngiyajabula ukuthi ufikile la ekseni umuntu lokangakwadli sitaxoxa ngawe ukuthi uyi fitness trainer ngicabanga ufike washama push up no ngifuna ke PCR ngifuna kubafikela usuka kamagugu la stobungata la ubuya khona ngiyakuhlonipha ke noma omncane namhla ungumiste.
Thank you sir.
Ungumiste njengoba ngivetile ukuthi ungihlakaniphi khona ukuthi uqhamuka kamagugu kumuntu longakwadi ngenda ngidawu bese ngiyashiya mina ukuthi wendane ongibani mhlambe wendane.
Gama lami ngimhlakanipho Joy Maphanga. I'm 24 years of age from Gamagugu. La deep in the sport. I'm also officially Mr. Mpumalanga 2026 first runner up. I was also honored to win the best physique award. And also the best national costume. Shout out to House of Elegance for that. And then beyond pageantry, I'm passionate about physical fitness. I have Joy Fit Run Club, fitness initiative. I help my community members to stay fit, live healthier lives, and overall well-being. Right.
Asiqale ngalento ye-pageant because nasesikolweni inokuba khona la.
Yes.
Nakusema Christmas ugcokisa abantwana abadlala i-wrestling ngabona babagcokisa ama-under. Kuwe i-journey yakhona iqaleni.
No, I mean, it's been coming because I've been interested in pageantry since I think 2023. And then 2024 I started learning about it, research about it, and then 2025 last year I decided to join. And then I joined, and then it's been a good journey. I've learned a lot.
No, vele
it was first time. Vele ngathi ngisaqala ngavela nga straight betul. Ayimpumalanga.
Okay.
Ngiyajabula nokuthi uye straight khona le confidence uyithathebe ukuthi ufuna ukuyocala lapha because bekufuna uqale la kuncane khona.
The confidence beyikhona because ngivele idino tokujima so if you gym the good thing about working out is that kunama benefits lamani. It's not only about looking good but also it builds your confidence. So ngitholile confidence lapho to be able to approach a task lefana nalena so ngayijoina. Then it was easy for me to build up because basifundisa nalapha yana we get to learn about confidence and how to present.
Bakhona before mhlambe labangenela bo Mr Mpumalanga lo show us no nama I look up to this guy or bakhona labanye labengenela bo Mr ngaphandle lo was show okay nami ngibukele kubo inspire ngibopniza ngiyongenela lapha or it's something lesukele kuwe vele.
Ngathi the former king uSandile Christokam is someone le ngimbonile cause emsodudane yabo. Ngambona went to the same gym. So now the day you won, congratulations, and then luckily I think it was 2 weeks after ngahlana na gym in food. Ngambona that congratulations yabona. Then ngaba motivated ukuthi ngijoin vele because ngabona nangumuntu seduzane nami ujoinile uwinile. So ngaba motivated ukuthi nami ngijoin.
I think kune secret la bejimini nami ndo joina le cala. But understand abase bangibona winile la
ukuthi vele kunemandla lapha ejimini.
Bona uma calculations lo nawo ukuthi mawungena lapha because nginokuva abantu mabafuna ngenela abo big brother ukuthi mabaphuma lapha bafuna kwenda something. Bona uma calculations ayongena ukuthi ngingangena lapha ngifise kwenda 1 2 3 1 2 3 because nginethinto lotenda ukuthi community.
Of course for me into lekubaluleke kakhulu. I wanted to join so that I can tolerate a platform to be able to continue doing what I'm doing. I saw Guti, if I join Mr. Mpumalanga is about nurturing, grooming, and empowering the boy child. So I'll be empowered to be able to continue doing what I'm doing in my community. So that was the end goal for me, to be afforded the opportunity to be able to continue doing what I'm doing to a bigger audience. Yes.
Maso uphakathi inside because thina senibona emafonini la yena semsakatweni le experience ayifani sixoxele lokujabulisile le journey yakho.
I think lokujabulisile is the growth that I saw in myself. Because naturally I'm someone who's introverted yabo. Angimani nje vele ngithule yabo long as ngathi uthi asikacabani ngingathula yabo. So the journey forced me to be able to come out of my shell. Ngikhulume more yabona engaged with people because vele I had to engage because yabona nendo ufuna ucela abantu bakuvotele you have to sell yourself which why should people vote for you. So I think ngijabulele kakhulu ngisite ukuthi ngikhone ukuphuma out of my shell ngikhone ukukhuluma nebantu and be more social. Yes.
Then yini le inspire ukuthi uyokucala le gym lona nayo?
The gym. I think what inspired me to start Joy Fit.
Yeah, Joy Fit
Fitness Club.
Fitness Club, yeah.
Because number one, I'm very passionate about physical fitness. Yabona ngwabonile ama benefits physical fitness in my life. Yabona, like I said, it helps with your confidence, it helps with your mental and emotional strength. So mentally you are strong. Yabona, you can be able to tackle life's challenges. If you fit, my chances are to be mentally strong. If you fit are higher compared to if maybe awukho fit. So ngibone nje lo, and then ngabona in my community is also a community le people they like working out. Abantu bavuka ekuseni bagijime, and now my gym lawo my street gyms. So I thought ukuthi let me also start my own Joy Fit Run Club where I bring together community members from primary school children, my teenagers to senior citizens. We come together, we work out, and then we build our mental health and our physical health.
Yeah. So ngidokwenza iambassador ye mental health because ukhuluma ngayo kakhulu. Yini mhlambe le ebuye ukuthi uthashe kuyi mental health kakhulu ngoba ngathi vele into lekuthashako now?
Yeah, into lengithasha kakhulu because it's sad to see abantu ba dealing with mental health problems due to maybe life challenges.
Yeah. So
I think if there's a way that I can assist ukuthi kube ngcono umuntu adela ngenkinga, I like to do that because ngibonile nami ukuthi if maybe umuntu atokhona ukuthi instead ukuthi aphume ayafuna kunatha funa ngene ama drugs, they can tend to work out physical fitness because ungaphuma nje walk and then when you come back you'll feel better. Uphuma uyogijima, you'll come back, you'll feel better. So instead of running to my substance abuse or abusing your loved ones, come join us, Joy Fit Run Club.
To abuse a little simple. 70
and then I promise you, when you go back home, you'll feel a lot better because there's experience, there's I proof when they come, they work out, and then they feel better.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let into tekujima ngasikhathi kufuneka uhambisane nema diet lokhona ngihleleni fit. Into lengijabulise ngayo before uyocala konke lo lokunye uqale ekudleni wena waqala ngehospitality.
Yeah.
Ile inspire no awuhambe wena hospitality after school because bangakubuka ngathi into yabo make le.
No, I think le hospitality, I wouldn't say it's something that I plan. Yeah. I was lucky enough, I was blessed enough to get the opportunity to be able to do that. And then so get align and then I get to now ukuthi ngikhona ukukhethela ukuthi like if ngifuna lokhu ngifuna 6-pack, so I have to eat this. If ngifuna khona sifuba sami sivuleke kahle bona avoid this kind of foods. Ngithanda kusho nje ukuthi lapho le run club yami ukuthi if udla ama acha nani angeke kulunge la. Yabo. So yes.
Yabo so cabana nebantu abaningi even nalesikhathi ukuthi ufuna i6-pack ngibonile ukuthi bayacabanga lenye i6-pack. Hayi sikhuluma ngezinto ema community la i-fitness club ine community ubuya ku Mr Mpumalanga kune community sikhuluma nge-community kaMagugu Barberton community radio la kune background yasesondweni so mhlambe yona ikuncede njani kulo msebenzi lo wendako?
You're very, very supportive, the background of the church, because ngithole support learning from esondweni. Yabo ngikhula khona esondweni. I'm a pastor's kid.
Yeah.
So I'm exposed to that environment. Yabona the support was very meaningful to me. Mthandazo yabona lo ukuthi ngihlana nemuntu nje maybe sikhonza naye and then encourage lapho nabuthi Joy, we are looking at you, we are praying for you. So lo ngimotivated nami ukuthi yabona ngapheli mandla yabo kule journey was very long and it's very tiring. So I really appreciate Mthandazo and the motivations from the church. Yes.
Wena uyafana ne deputy president la le title lokuyo so ngifuna ukuva ukuthi nawe khona lesifuna expect la kuwe thina la Mpumalanga kumbe vele khona ama responsibility lebakunikete wona lesingawathi.
Yeah, as she the deputy president. I'm supporting the first king Nkosi Roro. I'm very happy for him. He's my brother. I support him. We're a team. Na number 1, me number 2, and Samgelo Tala number 3. We are representing Mpumalanga. So we have different things that we are advocating for. So and then from me, what to expect is when I'm taking my advocacy to the roof. Physical fitness like Mpumalanga, I want to take it ngikhuphukise awatikolo. Tomorrow I'm invited to necessary in kindergarten bantwana but they're having sports at day so I'm helping them with my child friendly exercises. So from me Joy Maphanga Mr Mpumalanga runner up expect kungibona nje everywhere koleni sita sachimisana yabona advocating for mental health yanginoko nje
lo ufuna ukubona nyalo angakulandzela ku social media kutokhona ukubona nakusasa because uyobungekho lapha ise-R kusasa bakulandzela ku social media.
Social media asithola ku Instagram with Joy Fit Run Club, that's for the club, and then for me it's Joy Maphanga Joy, and then TikTok is Joy Fit, Facebook's Joy MP.
Mina ke ngiyabonga ukuthi usukele kamabhuku ube fit usutofika la uzivakashele nalabo
fit
sikufisela inhlanhla ngawo wonke umsebenzi wakho. Siyabonga.
Yabonga kakhulu baba.